Okay. So we're going to be waiting for some news to get dropped out from 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll see what we have. So how we get news is through the all bot alerts from Atlanta Trading Discord, and basically announced it instantly. Okay. Right then. So we've got 30 seconds till market close, and then we're going to have loads of news get released. So I'm not going to trade anything which pumped before 3:45 Eastern Time. I can see VIDA pumped after 3:45, so maybe this is one which can squeeze straight from after hours. Let's have a look. Oh, I know this one was already pumping for today. I just missed it. I didn't see this one. Chose not to trade it. Interesting. So there we have market close. So again, I'm going to focus on new news releases. And yeah, hopefully we find something which is good enough to trade, like GCL yesterday. Okay. So nothing as of yet. So we had HCWB and GCL, 2 trades today, 2 wins, and also had loss on GCL the first time around. So hopefully after hours it's a bit more straightforward. Right, so we've got news on OPTH. So let's check this one out. Add it to the watch list. It's up 1%. To be honest, I don't think I like this one. Yeah, it's beneath moving averages. So I only take trades before moving averages in the 1 minute and 5 minute time frame, and this one is beneath them. So more of a reversal play than a new news and buying into strength sort of play. So we have ODV. I think that is ODV. Down 4%. So not strong news. Proposed offering apparently. Gonna remove OPTH. So again, still waiting for some news to come out. So I'm going to be trading between 4 and 4:30 Eastern Time. So there was news in INTU, but not proper news that we trade off. Down 10%. See, I don't know how market hours was today in terms of market open, as I only traded the afternoon today. But wasn't too bad. It wasn't. I wouldn't say it's dramatically slow. So, hopefully we get a normal after hours. Right, here we go. 21% YMT. Right. Again. Oh, hang on. So again, more of a reversal sort of play. It's not really my sort of thing. I'd rather focus on, news, buying in strength. So a market top here, it can reverse quite strongly. SOPA. WNW. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this one. Looks a bit rubbish, to be honest. SOPA. Right, here we go. Again, not great, to be honest. It's not too bad. WNW, too low in volume. Right, this is shooting up. Just zooming in to do my spawn resistance. I don't trade anything under 10 cents, so not a chance I'm trading it. If it's trading beneath 10 cents, right. I mean, you have to guess there's some sort of psychological resistance at 10 cents. Right, okay. Right. This one might be a bit too quick. Right, so watching this over 0.12. Okay, so I'm in this. I just might not have time to alert it. Can't even find my alert. Okay. Okay, so I'm posting out this one. It was a loss, unfortunately. I didn't have time to alert it. So that's on SOPA. However, it would be a re-entry over the same level. Okay, so I'm gonna probably take this again. Give it another go. Second over 0.12 looks good. Okay, so take profit's been hit on this one. Uh, 0.13 to 0.14. It'll be interesting to see how it runs. It's now flipping 0.12 from resistance into support. Maybe we get a falling wedge breakout on support. Okay. So it's coming down now. So I'd retry this one like this. But to be honest, it looks, and if you don't bounce off the ATMA here, the remaining shares 0.18, 0.108, just to okay. So that's SOPA. We can have a look at bottle list and see what else there is. So BNZI, can a rebreak of 0.12 should see it continue up, but it's a bit choppy to be honest. It's got BNZI, 35%. Right. Has that just gone up again? Not yet. So BNZI up 40%. So we'll mark a top here. And reconfigure that. Put a little support here of $5. $8 resistance. Then is it 20-30% gap? No. So we need to find one in between. Probably around $6. Okay. So 5 is your resistance on BNZI. So to be honest, after hours isn't looking too bad. So you'd be looking for a break of 5 and an expectation of at least a 10% move on this one. So it should hit at least 5.5 if it were to break over 5. So 5.5 should hit on this one. Okay, looking good. So after hours doesn't look too bad. Okay, so well done, Walter. This one's completely lost volume now. So BNZI looking good. Okay, it's just gonna go to bot alerts. See what else we have. BNZI, NCPL is another. Not as clear on this one. Looks a bit more choppy. We can mark a little top here. And just go to daily time frame. Convert it into 1 day support and resistance. So I mean around there is good, 0.6 we can call it. Then looks like the next level is that 0.8. 0.8. So there is some sort of resistance around 0.6. It doesn't look too strong though. The candles aren't too large. This looks the best BNZI. So 6 is the next resistance now on this one. So full continuation on this one, a break of 6, and it should run at least 10% once it breaks over 6 to a 6.6. And then 8 would be my next level on that one. And the SOPA coming all the way back down, so remove that one. So if you're looking for another win, this one over 6, and should hit at least 6.6 in here. Okay. It's good to see SOPA and BN's die breakout. See if there's anything else. UCAR apparently, I wouldn't trade this as the volume seems quite low. I mean, I'm guessing we have some resistance at 2. So I just put some resistance at 2 as a psychological number. And a break beyond 2 should see it run at least 10%. Again, I wouldn't trade this because I think the volume's not as large in terms of the 1 day candlestick volume from how our bot reads things. So I wouldn't look at trading this one. And BN to die. Again, 6 is a resistance on that for now. Okay. So there's not really too much to say. I mean, keep an eye on BN to die over 6 for at least a 10% move towards 6.6. And if it waits to lose 5, it's probably going to come down to 4.2 as a support. And if we lose 4.2, it's completely done. But I try and cap your losses to 10 to 15% if you can. Okay. So there's no last questions. I'll end it here. Probably start doing what's it called, 3:55 to 4:25 rather than 4 till 4:30. So we'll look at doing that next week. But I'll end it here then, guys. So thanks for joining, and catch you all later.